Hi everyone, and welcome to 1 minute standing meditation. I know that sometimes it's hard to jump straight into the meditation. So what I like to do is I take a couple of nice deep breaths to get grounded and relax the body. So stand up nice and tall and take a nice big inhale through the nose and easy long exhale through the mouth. Nice deep inhale in. Easy long exhale down. One more time. Go up. And exhale. Very good. From here, we're gonna go into meditation. So find a proper body position. Relax your shoulders, relax your hips. Lengthen through your spine. And we begin. Very good. To come out, bring your hands to the chest, down in the center of the body, and relax by the side. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.